So in this video, I'm going to look at these watch band, which I got from Amazon. So there's a lot of them that come inside right here. Just unbox them, let you guys see the quality and how these actually looks. So as you guys can feel, the quality of these watch band is great. Is nothing compared to the original watch band which I got right here, though this one is a more different in terms of the quality. But this one right here, you can see the material is rubbery and it feels really good. Right here we have a lot of them, different colors, as you guys can see, and that's how it look. So I'm going to try them on my watch so that you guys see how them basically look. So I'm going to take off this right here. So you can see that the original watch band have this little part right here that can push through. This one, as you can see, is a bit different. It doesn't have that edge to the side, as you can see, and it just feels a bit different, not so premium as this one though. This one feels a bit nice, and this one also nice. But if you want to change your watch band around to different colors, this is a great selection that you can change it, you know, so you don't want to wear the same exact band every time. This is a great selection that I have right here. And as I said, this part right here made from plastic. Look at part right here, the original one is metal. And just if you are going for something on a budget, this is one of the great choices that you can use. So I'm going to change them out and test them and let you guys see. This right here clicks right in as well, just like so. This one right here clicks right in as well. So I'm going to try it right now. So you're going to push this part through right here, which is a bit different from the original one. So you can see, get it up tight. You can push this part right through here. Clicks right in. Push this part right here through. And that's how it look. Guys, as you can see, it look really neat. Doesn't look any way. Feel premium as well. And this is it right here, guys. Fit perfect on my wrist right there. And I have a lot more of them right here, all different colors. So if you're into the white and those colors, brown, black, and just something that you can wear. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. See you guys in my next video. Peace out. And before we go, this can hold the watch band from 38 to 40 millimeter series, and this right here is the 41 millimeter. It fit perfectly on it right there, as you can see. Still all up with it, and it looking really nice and something that I will use and recommend.